Hi, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you our Ettore Pro Residential Window Cleaning Kit. This is a nice compact kit, comes in a 14-inch bucket. The bucket holds approximately 3 gallons of water. So what you would do is you'd fill this half to 3/4 full, then take the included Ettore Squeegee off soap. You add 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. So like I said, if you fill this half to 3/4 full of water, you'd add about 3 tablespoons of solution. A little bit more if you find that the windows are heavily soiled. After putting the solution in, you want to gently mix it around. You got your 14-inch Ettore Pro Grip T-bar scrubber handle. Comes with a nice Ettore Golden Glove microfiber sleeve. This has been a go-to sleeve for Ettore for several years. Use that to scrub the window entirely. And then you would follow up with the included Pro Grip 14-inch brass squeegee on an Ettore Pro Grip quick release handle. They call this quick release handle because this little tab here, you can just flip that up and you can switch channels. So some people like to buy additional channels, such as small as 6-inch all the way up to 22-inch. And then you can quickly change between the different sizes depending on the window cleaning job at hand. But you get the included 14-inch with the kit. Next, after you've squeegeed off all the loosened dirt and solution off the glass, we include 5 16-inch by 16-inch microfiber detailing towels. You'd use that to detail around the edges. Now the detailing towels will come in either green or blue depending on stock at the time. And like I said, the whole kit comes in this nice 14-inch bucket. Holds everything that you need whenever you don't need it. You'll be able to get professional results for cleaning windows at home or in your small window cleaning business. So check us out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Bye for now.